grab a trike.
Yes.
Go to Dumaguete Port. Ayan. Using grab trike for 79 pesos.
So, pagkalabas ng airport, sa kanan kami waiting for our grab.
Kung wala kayong mahanap na grab taxi dito sa rightmost part na airport. Ayan. May mga hanap ng tricycle. Pwede rin mag-van or vehicle pero mahal. So, ayan yung itsura ng tricycle.
Kaso, ang luggages. Hindi malito sa Palawan.
So, doon yung ticketing booth. Pero dahil may ticket na kami.
Cool, thank you. So, here, let's walk.
Present your ticket.
Walk lang, dire-diretso. Right, go entrance. So we have to pay
Terminal fee. And then, and waiting. So, dito kami nakabook sa Ocean Jet via Cook.
Iwan daw ang aming mga gamit.
Ating mga
Hila tayo.
ito na tayo ng ating boarding pass.
Wala pang
Ito kami ng business class. Boarding pass. Inhilar yung mga bags kasi may K9 inspection. Okay, proceed to the board gate.
eh,
For business class. Wow!
tayo sa business class.
Bababa.
And then, let's get our gamit. Yay! Okay, then, let's go there.
Okay, just follow the flow ng mga tao. And, yun. You may go to your respective hotel and whatnot.